The Database USA Data View tool available within IntelliSite allows users to prospect for businesses based on geographical boundaries, keywords, business names, business size, and other characteristics. Let's say that we're in the metro area of Seattle, Washington, and we're interested in nail salons. Here, we can simply type in metropolitan area of interest, and then when we come down to keyword, we're going to select nail salons. We're going to perform a search to find the 752 nail salons that are currently in the Seattle metro area. Here, you'll notice not only the business name, the contact details, contact information, phone numbers, email addresses, revenue trend over time. And you can take this kind of list and export it from the download function. Here you can determine whether or not you want the results view, which is just the simple business name, contact name, address, city, state, and estimated revenue. A details view, which provides all of the information, or a custom view, where you can choose the specific columns that you're interested in including in your export. Keep in mind that you can create these analyses based on not only keyword or business type, but also NAICS code and SIC code, specific employee size or annual revenue. And so if you wanted to go into major industry group and just look at all retail trade, or even a subsector of retail trade, such as food stores, you could create that list with just a couple clicks of a button.